So here we are at this time of the year again. The official announcement of the Galaxy S9 and its bigger brother the S9 Plus is only 9 days ahead of us, getting unveiled on the 25th of February. Everything is lit on fire. The phone will be a huge improvement over its predecessor the S8, not in terms of design this time as it will be almost the same, but in terms of the internal components. We have a beast processor, the Exynos 9810, which they actually had to underclock. Otherwise, the performance gap between the American version, which uses the Snapdragon 845 processor, and the rest of the world version would be unacceptably huge. So you can expect some better performance with the Exynos variant, but some slightly better battery life with the Snapdragon variant. This should change in the year 2020, when Samsung's contract with Qualcomm ends. Maybe then we'll start to see Exynos phones in the US, and Samsung's unleashing the beastly true power of its processors. We should also expect to see the most amazing camera on a smartphone in the world with the S9, which supposedly compares to a DSLR as shown in the Samsung teaser. As you just saw, they are hinting at the capability of adjusting the aperture focal length from f2.4 to as wide as f1.5, which means more light entering the lens and incredible low light shots as they hinted in another teaser. As you can see, everything is dark until the magical 9 appears and focuses on the face of the deer, and illuminating and making it stand out. The combination of the amazing camera and processors will allow for super slow motion video recording. And guys, it's not like any slow motion on a smartphone that you have seen before. This will be the first camera of its kind to record up to 1000 frames per second. They hinted this in another teaser. So here everything is blazingly fast until the 9 comes and slows it all down. And as I pointed in the previous video, the Animoji feature is coming to the Galaxy S9. The 9 comes and changes the guy's face into cartoon. Props to Evan Blass for telling us this before. There's also Intelligent Scan, which is the combination of facial and iris scanning, which means even more biometric security. And by the way, the fingerprint scanner has been moved to a slightly better position. We hope to finally see the fingerprint scanner getting embedded into the display for the first time with the upcoming Galaxy Note 9 later this year. And lastly, we've got this leak of an alleged comparison between two shots, one of them by the Galaxy S8 and the other by the 9. The photos are zoomed in and cropped, which made some of those who saw it doubt its reliability, but it just zoomed in and cropped. Because if the leaker posts more of this picture, it will expose the secret agent who took the shots, and you don't want this to happen because it will mean no more leaks from that source. Anyway, you just look at the difference. Here is the Galaxy S8, and here is the 9. If this means anything, it means we are expecting the next generation smartphone camera on the 25th of February. Well done, Samsung. So that will be it for today. If you've made it until here, many thanks for watching. Please share it and like it and subscribe because this is what motivates me to make more videos. I will see you next time.